Bitcoin. What is going on with Bitcoin? What are we going to do about this? Going to talk about it in this video, so stay tuned. So one of the big topics, one of the big things going on right now in the market, I don't even know if it really call it the stock market, but in the overall world of financial terms, is the altcoin movement. And Bitcoin, obviously, if you're watching this video, you already know how Bitcoin works. I don't need to explain that. I made a video back, what was it, in May. Back in May, I made a Bitcoin video talking about if you would have bought Bitcoin 7 years ago, how rich you would have been. And it's insane, because if you would have bought $100 worth of Bitcoin 7 years ago, you'd be a millionaire, over a millionaire. That was when Bitcoin was actually $2,000. So I made this video back when Bitcoin was at the $2,000 mark, and now today it's over $6,000. It got up there, I think, to 6,200 or something today so far. It's up $6,187 right now, and it's insanity. It's insanity, because I mean, even looking at this thing back in what was it, September, it was down there at the $3,000 mark. So it's up over 100% in the last month. I keep looking at it. I keep thinking about it. What am I going to do? How am I going to capitalize on this move here on Bitcoin? Am I a fool to even think that, the price is already so high, and would I just be chasing it? Is me buying into the FOMO here on Bitcoin? How do I play this? What do I do? So I'm not really sure. I've been doing some research. I've been trying to figure out if it's a good idea for me to start trading Bitcoin. Should I start messing with it? And obviously, looking at this chart, it's like, man, this thing keeps dipping and it keeps ripping. And if this was the stock market, if this was a stock in the stock market, I would have been playing this all day long. These moves have been insane, really. Looking at some of these moves, today alone, it's been like $300, $400 move up and down. And I don't know. I really don't know what to do here. I keep asking myself, I keep doing the research, I keep thinking about it. What should I do? I made this video back in May talking about how I thought Bitcoin was already at the top there. It was up there at the $2,000 mark, and now it's up there to $6,000. And I really hate to make this video in a couple months from now when Bitcoin is over $10,000 and I didn't capitalize on the move. I really should have bought some Bitcoin back on this dip here. I was really thinking, okay, we had that nice dip. This was the dip after the China deal about the ICOs. I remember sitting there like, okay, if Bitcoin gets below $3,000, I might be a buyer. If Bitcoin gets to $2,000, I'm going to be loading up. And obviously, it never even got down that far. But Bitcoin making an insane move here. So I'm making this video to get a conversation going, seeing what you guys think, seeing what your ideas are right now with Bitcoin. Do you think it's a good time to start buying on these next couple dips? Should I be looking to start trading Bitcoin? Should I just stay away from it? Really, what should I do here, guys? I don't know. I got a lot more research to do here and kind of figure out what I want to do here personally. But I feel like at this point, it's just me chasing this insane move here on Bitcoin. Looking back here, beginning of 2017, we were down there below $1,000. I remember when Bitcoin broke over $1,000, it was a big day. And now sitting here thinking, oh my God, it's over $6,000 now. How high can this thing go? Where is the top here on Bitcoin? Is it a good time to short Bitcoin? I don't know. I don't really know what to do here. I'm at a loss of words. But looking here at this insanity, if you would have loaded up here on Bitcoin when it was under $1,000, look at this move up there to $6,000 in less than a year. There is no other investment, no other stock, no other thing out there right now where you could get these kinds of returns. And it's pretty insane, pretty insane. I keep saying insanity because it's just that insane. Sitting here looking at Bitcoin, I'm just at a loss of words. So if you guys have any ideas, leave a comment below. Let's get a conversation going here. I like to see what people are doing. If you guys are trading Bitcoin, if you have any interest in learning more about Bitcoin, I really don't want to be jumping on the bandwagon so late here. Looking here at Bitcoin now, am I going to look back 10 years from now and be like, wow, I could have been a billionaire if I would have bought Bitcoin when it was $6,000 and now it's at $30,000. I've seen some insane projections, some price targets here on Bitcoin, and I don't even know. I don't even know what to do here. I'm at a loss of words. I really wish I had an answer here, but it's hard. It's a really hard one. And I hate to be the guy chasing this thing. I hate to be the guy trying to get in late here and capitalize on this insane move as Bitcoin has just been going higher and higher. Obviously, I think there's a lot of emotion here. There's a lot of just raw emotion. People buying this, thinking this is going to go higher, buying it with the idea that, hey, I don't want to miss out on this move, but I definitely don't want to buy in on Bitcoin and sit here and watch this thing drop from $6,000 down to zero. That would not be fun either. So I'm going to be doing some more research. I'm going to kind of be figuring out what my game plan is. I'll fill you guys in on it. Leave me a comment below. Let's talk about it. We'll figure out what we should do here as Bitcoin breaks over that $6,000 mark. It's up huge. I was just telling my friend, if he would have bought $1,000 worth of Bitcoin back in 2012, he'd have over $120 million. So if you'd have bought $1,000 worth of Bitcoin in 2012, you'd have $121 million, guys. And hindsight's always 20/20, but hey, if anyone has the plans for a time machine, let me know, because I'm interested in investing in that time machine. We can go back to 2012, we can load up on Bitcoin, and we can sell it today and make a lot of money. I will talk to you guys later.